Hey, Creative Mom Kamela here from Creative Mom's Decant. So today I'm going to show you how to place Color Street nail strips using the anchor method. I'm also going to show you how to remove Color Street with a new trick. So let's jump in. So I am so excited to try this. So in this bowl I have warm water. So it is extra warm water. I did hot. Nope, it's just warm water. And I have an open bottle. Technically I don't, but I just filled this one. So I have the Color Street remover. I'm going to grab that bottle again in a minute and have it close. All right. And you take a little bit of the remover and you put it in the bottom of a Ziploc bag. This is how she did it. And then you stick your fingers in the remover and rub. So I'm rubbing them like this. I have Coral Bay and Spot On my nails, so 2 layers here. And I would say I will have to mark the timings, but wow. So Coral Bay was a really strong polish, I'm going to tell you that. But look at this. So incredibly close. That is so cool. What an awesome trick. So we just got back from vacation and my nails are really grown out. Like really. And first of all, I'm super impressed, but I broke one. So I'm going to have to file them all down. I am not someone who likes longer and shorter nails. Isn't that impressive? So you could tell which one I couldn't rub the best. But I mean, even if you decided to get both hands in here, you could really get that off. It's a pretty cool trick. I'm curious to know if you can keep the remover. And I don't have an answer on that, but if you could use it twice. So I may just test that right now myself on this time. And if you're a member of my group, Joyful Creations by Kamela on Facebook, then you will find out. Isn't that cool? It was super easy. I love to try new things, and this was a fun one to try for sure. So that hand is basically gone. I have just a little, oh, it's coming right off. So with a wipe of a towel, this hand is gone. And I'm going to do this one, and then I sadly have to file my nails down because I broke one. And then I'll meet you back and I'll show you what I'm doing for my birthday nails. All right, so we've removed and we've clipped, so everything's the same size. And now I just need to run through and smooth them, anything like that, and shape them a little. And once I'm happy with that, I might run through with this. And sometimes I wait and just do this after I've applied my nail strips. Now we want to push back our cuticles. I do cheat sometimes and use oil, and then I wash with soapy water and wait before I start applying my next steps. All right, and now I'm gonna go wash. So my nails are all cleaned up and dry, and the next thing we're gonna do is add our ridge filler. This is Nail Tech. I'll link it below. It's what I use. I grab it off of Amazon, and it does my nails good. I was really disappointed to cut my nails down right before my birthday, but it'll be no time at all. And truly, I mean, Color Street looks good on all length of nails. So I'm just going to apply a thin coat of this to each nail, and it really dries fast. I think I told a friend 30 seconds and she didn't believe me, but it really does. So I just apply my thin coat and then I wave my nails in the air for give or take 30 seconds. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the strengthener. So I apply it second, and these come in the same kit by Nail Tech. And I'm going to wave my hands in the air for 30 seconds, and then I'm straight into applying nails. So shiny, so healthy. All right, here we go. So I want to show you what comes in the package, because you can 100% do your nails from start to finish with what's in the package if you don't have any color already on your nails. So it doesn't come with remover, but it comes with a prep pad, a nail file, and your strip. Lots of times I save these because I use them once or twice, or I drop them in my purse. So, and sometimes when I'm on the road, if a girl doesn't have one, I have a brand new one. So anyway, as a stylist, I save them and I reuse. So the alcohol pad I definitely use every time. And of course the nail strips. And I'm going to show you the anchoring method, which is my new way of applying. So the first thing we want to do is take the alcohol pad and just go ahead and run it over the nail. And that's when you'll find that undercoat is dry and it is ready for your nail strip. And I don't do these every time, especially, and that's probably what got me, and that's why I broke one. They would probably be better if I did, but I do them every once in a while, or I do them if I've had a really hard on my nail week, you know, things like that. So probably once a month is how often I do them. So I start from my pinkies and work my way to my thumbs. So the anchoring method, remove the clear plastic, remove the nail strip, place the top of the nail strip onto the paper backing. Make sure you keep it on this slicky side. One side's more papery, and also make sure that you're sticking it there so you don't drop it. I've done that. And then you're going to use this as an anchor to place it onto your nail. And then I remove my anchor. I'm going to go all the way down with it. And then I leave that while I do my other pinky. It helps if you kind of push it under the nail. And now I'm going to come back to this one, and I'm going to take my file in one direction and remove the end. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this one. And when I come to do this finger, I'll remove my pinky. So I'm going to put it in fast mode, and I'm going to continue placing the Color Street nail strips using the anchor method. So that is it. It is that simple. I did not do this thumb because I've been challenged by my upline to do it live on my Facebook page. So I'm going to do that on there. But we applied these in no time at all, and they're dry and they're ready. I do like to apply them before bed so that I'm not into dishes or anything else. And if you're going to apply the cow print, which I'm going to, then I recommend you wait. I think they say 30 minutes. I usually wait about an hour. Sometimes I just do it the next night. So I'll wear this one today, and then I'll add the cows tomorrow night. So I hope everyone has a joyful evening, and I had so much fun sharing my tips and tricks for removing Color Street polish and using the anchoring method. Have a joyful day. Bye.